Nice day spent sunbathing in the open. Do you hear that noise? It's gonna go back to sunbathing. It's getting way louder. Oh no, oh no, stop the car! Chicken man, what are you doing? Honestly, I'm just driving my new hot ride car that I spent 573,881 Robux on. Yeah, pretty nice, right? I mean, how did you afford that? Well, I don't need to explain. I went to the Robux thing, and I stole all of it, and I stole more, and I bought that. Well, that's okay. But, gonna get back to sunbathing. Well, okay. I'll see you later. Bye. Finally, that dumb chicken man left me alone. What did you say? 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 I don't understand what he's saying about dumb. I'm not dumb at all. Well, I'm gonna ride into the sunset. Yee! Ow! Wow, now I'm exposed. Now I'm bald. Chicken Man is finally gone. That man is so annoying. I don't understand where he came from. I don't understand why he came. Ow. I can barely breathe after he hit me. So, you're saying I'm dumb? Well, I'm dead.